All right, make contact. Contact.
Petersburg police! Petersburg police, come out with your hands up!
What you want? What you want?
Come out with your hands up, sir.
What?
Put your hands up, sir.
Nothing up.
Put your hands up,
I ain't
sir.
put nothing up.
Put your hands
I
up,
ain't not put nothing up. Get the fuck on my boy.
What's going on today?
What's going on with you? Huh? What's going on? Get the fuck up. Yeah, go ahead. Wait a minute.
Come tase him. Come lock him up. I will keep doing it. Put cuffs on him.
Put your down. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
Who else is in the house?
Yeah, I want one. That what you want? That what you got? How many? Baby, you have me five. Then you go to tail. And when you go to tail. Look, you got good.
Myself and 201.
I'll be right back. Just keep an eye on him.
Go ahead. Petersburg 205, Sally Marie, or Daisy Sally Marie Tower, 500 pounds, apartment 401, status not licensed, check is negative. Copy.
Glad you could join the party. Air guns.
4218, give us 4.
Came out of the house. Get the fuck off my property. This, that, and the third. Baldy's fist up. Come down the steps like he was going to do something. He got done. Taser worked just great too, by the way. But he's in the car. Okay.
Is he talking? Like, does he have like a
He's got some kind of metal thing going on.
mental?
Yeah.
When this came out, Cuba said that I guess they were dealing with something like his last one. But he does have mental issue.
Just so you can report back, I have effectively neutralized.
I just called it very. I was on Crater Road. I called
Well,
it very.
he came out the door raising hell, screaming at me and Jackson.
Okay.
I said, "Hey man, just." And he come down the steps, Baldy's fist up. So I hit him with the taser.
Is this the same call that came up where
Yep.
the lady said he was mentally had a pipe in his hand or something like
Yeah,
that?
I got
That's
the.
the same call.
Okay.
That came out earlier for him walking around with 2 guns in his hand.
Okay.
And I got,
couldn't find him.
but both of them are airsoft. I got them.
Okay.
Nah, the pipe's in the house. I didn't need to get that.
Okay.
But I couldn't tell if I was the same guy or not because when he came out the first time, when I saw him, he was wearing underwear and a do-rag.
Okay.
So I went and cleared the house and I saw the guns laying there, the airsoft. But he's got a mental issue. He's going to be TDO'd.
Okay.
But please report back so they won't think I was insubordinate. No sarcasm.
All right. All right. I figured this was the same call.
Yeah. Well, we checked all down here before. He must have just dipped out before we got here.
All right.
Hey, John, lawyer, please.
Ed,
Hey, John.
he's retired now.
Okay. He still got a story to his family. And he a member of my family. So I'm going to talk to him about you. Could you
Okay.
get his name and information?
Sure,
With the
sharp like a
office?
knife.
Yeah. Huh?
Sharp like a knife.
I'll be down at the station, girl.
Okay. All right, Jackson, when that crews can get here to get him checked out, you have the TDO.
Checked out for what?
I hit you with the taser.
And I'm gonna hit you when I get out.
I appreciate
All right,
that.
where you living?
Okay.
I live in your nightmares.
Ain't out of uniform. If you ain't in, if you in it, it's even worse. But you ain't in it.
Better men than you have
Ain't
tried to
even
kill me,
touched
son.
me.
That's the best I can tell you.
Say what?
Better men than you have tried to kill me.
Hey, I ain't the one that keep arguing. I'm the one. Let
Need
you
it.
slide and me in.
What you need is to go to the damn dentist. So I had to get the prongs out, take him down, and TDO him.
Okay. Papers.
Paperless DCO.
Okay.
You saw the way he was came out agitated, wanted to
No,
fight.
y'all can't fuck on me. Can you come outside, sir? Put your hands on me.
somebody's at the
I ain't doing that. Put your hands on me.
Roland
I ain't
says I heard
doing
him
that. Put your
marking.
hands on me. I ain't doing that.
I guess I'll call.
I don't know if he's going to take him as he's combative.
Yeah, that's what I'm
You
saying.
shit? Yeah, I'm going to do it anyway. And I know I'm going to do it. And I know I'm going to be in uniform.
Hey.
Yeah, I got you. I heard you the first 2
I
times.
do, though. When I come, I let you know when I'm supposed to. And that's when I carry the deepest about
Well,
that. I ain't no man.
when you come, you better come right. The best I can tell you.
Say what?
When you, when
Sit down. Look.
Hey, look. Yeah, I ain't
huh?
You're on the way.
Yeah. Oh, I got him in the neck with the taser. Ooh, nice bleeder too. Yeah, the crew's got to come check him out because I got him right in the neck with one of those prongs.
He looks fine, man.
Yeah, it's got a little blood coming out of him. But Jackson's going to do a paperless ECO on him. He's just talking gibberish. There's no doubt. I'll just put the BB guns into property.
Okay.
I didn't take the fight in. It's just a fight.